that was wonderful stuff. They've been enjoying watching the highlights with us, and Eric. What is it? I don't know what they're up to, but Eric basically doesn't speak much English. I don't speak much Italian, so we've got Chiara to help to translate. First of all, congratulations. How do you feel?
Come ti senti?
Stanco, molto stanco e finalmente realizzato. Perché, dai.
He's very tired, but he's happy. He's very happy now.
It took a long time. It got very dark. Was it difficult out there?
Era difficile con il tempo brutto così scuro.
Sì, di che faceva fatica a vederli, infatti ho dovuto rallentare su tutti i piattelli, se no non riuscivo a sparare come al solito.
He was not easy because it was very dark, so he has to get slow on some targets and not shoot very fast as he usually do.
And it was very tight. It was a very nervous ending. How did he feel, that he coped with that?
Come ti sei sentito alla fine che eravate vicini e avete lottato fino alla fine?
Alla fine me la sono goduta tutta. Ho detto vada come vada, però sparo, do il 100% e vado al meglio che posso. E sono riuscito a vincere.
He tries to enjoy until the end and he tries to do 100% what he can do, and he made it.
First individual World Cup gold, so a big party tonight?
Una festa stasera, la prima Coppa del Mondo che vinci.
Yes. È la seconda che partecipo.
It's the second World Cup he makes in his life. In the first World Cup, 5th place, and now he won, so he's very happy.
Well, congratulations. Grazie mille. And enjoy. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Hope
Bye.
you've enjoyed our finals as well. We've got the mixed team tomorrow, of course, so hope you can join us for that. But for today, from here in Cyprus, bye-bye.